Number one that we have to do to create a business is to make sure that we forage and harvest with sustainability in mind and teach that, because we want this to last for a long time. There's a process from the woods to the chefs that you have, you harvest it, then you have to clean it. And then you have to package it in some way. There's lots of different methods, depends on how you're moving the products, and then deliver it good, because chefs or restaurants are really busy, and when it's time and their business is booming, they don't have time to clean stuff. So it has to be pot ready, so to speak.
We met Jigger Jay, it's been about 10 years ago, I believe. And Jay just kept showing up with interesting things from the forest. And then we were trying to figure out what to do with them. So made it interesting. A lot of inspiration came from my grandmother and grandfather, who grew up in the hills here in the Blue Ridge Mountains, and also my travels abroad in Italy as well. Foraged mushrooms and morels, ramps, chanterelles, and then sort of blending the best of two between the best of foraged Virginia and the import items from Italy, and just combining those onto a plate and just trying to make them beautiful.
Usually I like to get it to customers within 24 hours of coming out of the woods. Depends on what it is. Ramps is a big one. And then, of course, soon after that, morels are coming, and that's the second big one. Garlic mustards and berries. And these chefs can do some magic with them. The ability to go out there and get something that Mother Nature has provided that's fantastic, has great flavor profiles that you'll not get elsewhere. It's not about money, it's about sharing and getting things to people who, in some cases, will never have the opportunity otherwise to taste and see these things. So that's how I see it.